In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma design with a client. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Sharing your design seamlessly can make a world of difference in client relationships and project management, so let's dive right in. First and foremost, you want to start by opening Figma. Head over to figma.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard, which allows you to create or access your design files. Next, you'll need to open the design file that you want to share. Look for the design you've been working on and click to open it. You should see your design workspace come to life. It's time to get ready for sharing. Now that your design is open, you'll want to highlight the elements you've been working on. This step is crucial as it helps your client focus on the important aspects of your work. To do this, simply click on the elements you wish to highlight. Figma has great tools to help you visually guide your client's attention. Once you've highlighted everything you'd like the client to focus on, it's time to click on the Share button. You can find this option in the top right corner of your screen. When you click that, a new window will pop up, giving you options to share your design link. Now, before you send this off, you need to ensure that your client has the right permissions to view or edit the design. You can adjust this by clicking on the Permissions dropdown that usually says anyone with the link can view. Depending on how much access you want to give your client, you can set it to Can View or Can Edit. This is particularly important if you expect your client to provide feedback directly in Figma. After you've set the permissions, it's time to review other options available under the sharing settings. For example, there's typically an option to publish your design to the community, which you might not need for client work, but it's good to know it's there if you're collaborating with other designers or sharing for promotional purposes. Finally, once everything looks good, copy the link provided and send it to your client via email, chat, or whichever communication platform you prefer. Make sure to include a personal note, inviting them to take a look at your design. This not only adds a professional touch, but also encourages them to provide feedback. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Figma design with your client. Just remember, clear communication is key throughout the design process, so be open to any questions or feedback they might have after viewing your work. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using design tools like Figma. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing!